Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on your VIVO X300. So basically, if you want to edit the photo in Google Photos, I'll show you how to do it. It is very simple, trust me. So open up your Google Photos and open the photo you want to edit. For example, like this. So click on edit right here. Here you can check the suggestions of the Google photo. Then you can crop it, switch the angle, mirror it. You can use tools like Eraser and Unblur. You can adjust brightness, contrast, ultra HDR, tone, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturations, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen, denoise, and add vignette. Also you can add a filter right here, like this, markup by pen, like this. And basically that's all the things you can do here. So save a copy and it is now saved to your Google Photos. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.